The Scholastic Showcase by our middle school students was a very vibrant and a dynamic, successful event. It was a celebration of innovation and learning and creativity. This remarkable event highlighted the 21st century skills, seamlessly merging education with fun, gamification, and hands on experiences.
If you miss between these, like let's say you miss in between 3 and 3, so 3 into 3 is 9, so you will get minus 9 points.
In science, students delved into experiments which they can run in the scientific labs, environmental sustainability, and cutting edge technological advancements. These activities that they do, they not only promote their analytical thinking but also their innovation and highlights the young learners' scientific curiosity. In social studies, projects inspired them with cultural awareness and global citizenships as our students analyzed historical events and tackled current societal issues. Through art, project work, games, models, and creativity flourished as students crafted visually captivating representations of their ideas, blending imagination with skills. Throughout the year, students have been working so hard and they had so many ideas that they bring on the table, and we wanted the parents to see how our children are actually working so hard throughout the year. And the showcase was planned to put their work in front of everybody and not just in one classroom among 15 people. Parents were really happy to see the hard work that their children have put in, and they were really excited to play the games, and also they were shocked to see how creative their young children are, how creative mind they have brought into this world. It was also a PTC, so parents and teachers were of course interacting while the students were showcasing their work, and we've received so many compliments after the showcase was done, and later on the parents have also messaged us counting on our efforts and actually appreciating and acknowledging the work that students and teachers have collaboratively done.